47.
And then we're going to the bottom.
Yeah.
Stop. This is like nauseating.
Oh yeah.
Is that for you?
I'm feeling it already.
You know why your ears pop?
I need to take out. I need to take out.
why did I drink it
That
fresh?
has to do with like the pressure.
Yeah. It's the.
No,
pressure
this thing actually killed Jeffrey last year.
Whatever.
Oh wait,
Jeffrey
what?
got so nauseous.
Oh yo.
Oh, I'm done. I'm done.
Oh,
You gotta go back down.
No, guys, who wants to jump?
Oh, God, no, no.
Take those stairs.
I swear.
Who wants to
I'm
jump
done.
off? Can't take those stairs.
I'll take the stairs.
Oh, that's
LL.
First one?
Yo, I'm scared like that the bottom will fall.
And now we're doing jazz, guys.
Yeah, this is infinitely worse.
Someone stop.
Someone
Alright guys, we're doing a quick stop first. Enjoy the quick guy cleaning stuff. Oh, we've done another elevator. You guys can see there.
Alright, look down.
Alright, now we're going.
Michelle, you're like hating on yourself.
Alright guys. Enjoy the view while it lasts.
Let's get it.
It looks like a chocolate box. I don't know why.
Go back to eating 2 feet of sandwich.
Are you regretting that decision?
Are you an angle?
I definitely have like.
How do you do that?
No,
I had way too much salt. There's so much salt in the meat I had. I had like, what is it, like pastrami?
Alright, now
I want to go to swim in there?
Now
Yes.
Oh, that's a historic
Oh,
moment.
okay. No, I had
I don't think I have enough alcohol in my blood to do that yet.
Alright, now you guys enjoy.
That is fun.
Alright, that is the end of our ride. Please subscribe and like for more videos.